How to create an Uber Eats account in Portugal. So here is the simple process. The first step, of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and download the Uber Eats app. So go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Uber Eats, and download the app. The next step is to sign up for Uber Eats. Now open the Uber Eats app after downloading it. Tap on the Sign Up button to create a new account. The next step is to provide your information. You'll be asked to provide the following information, which is your full name, phone number, email address, and your password. Now, if you already have an account, then just go ahead and log in the details. Next is to enter payment details. So enter your payment method, credit card, debit card, or PayPal, so you can easily pay for your Uber Eats orders. And then the next is to set your delivery address. Next is to verify your phone address or number if required. And finally, you can go ahead and start ordering. Once your account is set up, you can start browsing nearby restaurants, placing orders, and having your food delivered. Now, if this helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.